Hi everyone, Kelly here. At the end of July, Perfectly Posh announced their latest incentive trip. It's an all-inclusive spa vacation in Puerto Vallarta. That happens in February. Middle of winter, beach trip, spa, awesome. I'm there, right? As soon as they announced it, I was like, okay, how do I earn this thing? And I looked it over, and it is the most attainable incentive I have ever seen since I joined Posh. I am so excited by this incentive, and I hope to see so many people there. So the trip is the big prize, but every step of the way, there are other prizes, other prize levels to hit, and I have achieved all of those. And last week I did earn the trip, but all of my prizes have come in, and I wanted to show them to you. First, we have the pin and card for hitting 3,000 points in the incentive. This cute little lime pin. Posh is very big on pins, and those who earn them display them proudly. And also, along with this, we get 2,500 perks in our account. And what that means is a $25 product credit, or we can use it on business supplies. Posh consultants earn perks just like customers do, but we can use them on business tools. I have never paid actual money for samples, catalogs, Posh brochures, t-shirts, none of it. I've bought them all with perks. The next level is 6,000 points, and this cute sunshine pin. With that, you also get 5,000 perks. That's worth $50. The next level is in this box. Okay, oh, right. Get another pin. Tequila. And this is the 12,000 point level. This one comes with a pin and the exclusive margarita set with margarita recipes for regular and non-alcoholic. I'll put it here so you can see. Got a coaster, salt, a shaker, and last but not least, the glass. It's so cute, little logo on there. Okay, I've been waiting to open all of this stuff until this one arrived, and all I've done is take the tape off this. I have not even looked in here yet. This is the big prize for hitting 16,000 points. Got a new beach hat. Says something on it. Hashtag beach goals. I thought it said beach nachos. What else? What else? Oh, the fancy pin, the Big Daddy. Set of business cards, awesome. Okay, let's see what these look like. Free business cards are awesome. This is the third time I have earned free business cards from Posh. Oh, these are so fun. That's me. It's a beach mat. They didn't tell us what this looked like. I pictured a beach mat with my name emblazoned across it. So instead of my name, I put my website on mine. But that is very tiny and tasteful, so I like that. Look, it zips up. It's a bag, but it's also like a mat. How cool. Thanks, Posh. I earned all of this, and I have even earned the trip in the first month and a half of the incentive. There is still a month and a half left, so anything is possible. If you are a current consultant, you can do this. If you are not yet a consultant and have been thinking about it, right now is an awesome time to join. I will help you every step of the way to get as far as you can, I promise. I want to see you on the beach in Mexico in February.